Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about the attribute eyedropper. This could be a big deal. So I've got a group of stars that I want to put into the square with power clipping. So I'm going to go to power clip, place inside frame. Now, I forgot to make a copy of my power clip, and I want in all these different objects. Well, go to the attribute eyedropper, have under effects, have power clip checked, and have everything else not checked. Then get your eyedropper again. Whoop, not the color eyedropper, but the attribute. Click on that and take a sample. That quick, you could fill these in with a power clip. And this would be very helpful in text, because to make a power clip big enough for text, sometimes it doesn't work and you have to have these grouped together. This way, these are individual letters that you can do anything you want to with and be a power clip. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.